Hello guys, my name is Ajay and welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to do a quick review of the dark mode of Realme 1. So recently Realme have been rolling out their latest version of software update, and with their update, they have added a new feature to almost all the Realme phones. That is the dark mode. So I got this update on my phone a few weeks ago and I have been using the dark mode all this time. So enabling dark mode on Realme 1 is pretty much straightforward. All you need to do is find the settings menu and go to the option for Realme Live. And if you don't see that option, then don't worry. All you need to do is update your phone to the latest version, and after updating you will find this menu. And when you go to the menu, you will see that there is an option called dark mode, and it is inside this dark mode you will find the button to toggle on and off the dark mode. So it is pretty much straightforward, and after turning on the dark mode you will see that everything in the screen changes to dark color. The white background changes to deeper gray and the black text changes to white text. So this is pretty much one dark mode. It changes everything on the screen and it replaces every white color on your screen or on your app with a darker color, and also replaces text with matching color to make it more suitable to read. And if you look carefully, you can see that after changing into dark mode, the notification area or any other settings, they look much more beautiful and they are much more easier to perceive in our eyes. And this is the main reason why smartphone manufacturers are jumping into dark mode update. And after enabling the dark mode in Realme 1, it is not only the system apps that are converted to dark mode, any other third-party apps that you have downloaded that are also converted to dark mode. And if you go to the main menu under Realme Live, you will still find the other option to manually toggle on and off the dark mode for individual apps. And some apps do quite good under dark mode, but some apps perform very badly. For apps like WhatsApp and all, don't turn on the dark mode because they are very horrifying. Because for some reason those apps are horrifying under dark mode. So turning on dark mode is like changing the theme of your phone, but rather than affecting the app launcher of your phone, it affects everything that is on your phone. Right after enabling dark mode, the first thing you will notice is that it is not like changing the theme of your phone. When you change the theme of your phone, all the app drawer layout, all the theme of the app drawer only changes. Everything, all the system, all the third-party apps remain the same. But with enabling the dark mode, you will see that the changes is throughout the and every apps of the phone. And when you look at all the apps that came pre-installed, you will see that they look drastically different. And in the case of Realme, after enabling the dark mode, you will see that there is an option to force enable dark mode on all the apps that you installed on your phone too. So by default, all of this is on, and if you want, you can turn off the app settings. One thing I like to say is that not all apps are compatible with the dark mode. Some apps perform very badly and look very horrifying to me. These are the apps like WhatsApp and some other apps. So why dark mode matter? Dark mode matter because after using the dark mode, you will also notice this. So if you use your phone at night, like all of us do, you will appreciate the dark mode because with dark mode, the strain on your eyes are much more less, and also you will be able to enjoy the display much more. Without dark mode, you might have not used it, or you might have got used to it. And in dark mode variant, you will be able to read much more comfortably and without lowering the brightness to very dim level. And also with dark mode, you will see that the way that everything is on display is much more beautiful, and to me that is the only reason why I keep using the dark mode. And if your phone has AMOLED display, you will benefit from the added battery saving, because AMOLED display, when viewing the dark or black color, they completely switch off their LEDs, and as a result you will be able to save battery. And if you want to know more about AMOLED display, you can watch my other video. And this is all about dark mode. The one thing I like to say, dark mode should have been there a long time before. And it is funny that it took almost all the years for the smartphone manufacturers to realize that dark mode is very much good for the eyes. So to summarize, I would say that dark mode is a small change, but the impact it produces is very pleasant to our eyes and is very big indeed. And that's it for the review of Realme 1 dark mode. Until next time, peace.